Meta has started banning Instagram users that use its glasses to secretly record people to make content. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Meta owns Instagram, so this feels like Meta admitting that a whole lot of creeps have begun using Meta glasses to record people without their consent. Instagram head Mosseri said in a recent post, "If you're posting content that's taking advantage of people and harassing them, like a lot of these pickup line kinds of videos that we've heard and seen, then we're gonna take the content down. We don't want people to take videos of other people and harass them and then post them on our platform." Instagram regulars must have came across this type of stuff where an arrogant content creator does pranks on service workers, all while secretly filming everything with Meta glasses. Many of these pranks verge on harassment. Other videos involve men filming their interactions with women in public. The women typically don't know they're being filmed, which gave Meta specs unfortunate nicknames like pervert glasses and predator glasses. It's unclear how many videos have been removed under the new policy, but the high-profile accounts that regularly film women in public without consent have been deactivated. This isn't the only move Meta has made to keep the creeps off from using the smart glasses. The company recently added software that disables the camera if the LED light that indicates recording has been tampered. However, it's worth noting that the LED light isn't exactly a spotlight and is easy to miss even when turned on, especially while recording outside in natural light. Still, it's good that Meta's doing something about a problem that the company had a major hand in creating. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications.